Supermarkets. They make life easier by keeping food fresh, clean, and safe for a long time. Supermarkets also give people many choices, from fruits and vegetables to snacks and drinks, so everyone can find what they like best. Shopping in one place saves both time and money, because customers can compare prices and buy everything they need at once. Thanks to supermarkets, we can plan our meals better, store food longer, and enjoy more convenience in our daily lives. They truly help make modern living simple, comfortable, and efficient for families and individuals alike. So what is a supermarket? It's a large store where people can buy everyday items like food, drinks, and household supplies all in one convenient place. A supermarket is carefully organized to make shopping easy and convenient. Each section has its own group of products. Fruits and vegetables are placed together, while milk, cheese, and other dairy items are found in another area. Shelves of cookies, chips, and snacks fill a different section. Shoppers can walk through the aisles with a cart or basket, choosing the things they need as they go. When finished, they bring everything to the checkout counter to pay. This clear organization helps people find what they're looking for quickly and enjoy a smooth, simple shopping experience every time. A supermarket runs smoothly thanks to many different people working together. Cashiers scan items, take payments, and greet customers with a smile. Stockers fill the shelves with food and supplies, while managers make sure everything stays organized. Some workers handle fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, and bakery goods, keeping them clean and ready to sell. Others clean the store, making it safe and shiny for shoppers. Delivery drivers bring products from farms and factories, and security guards ensure everyone stays safe. Paying at the supermarket is very important because it helps the store buy more food, pay the workers, and stay open for everyone to shop. Sometimes people might forget to pay if they're in a hurry or not paying attention. When that happens, store workers or security guards kindly remind them to return and complete their payment. To help prevent mistakes, many supermarkets use scanners or sensors near the doors that check if items were paid for. This system keeps everything fair and ensures the store can keep running smoothly for all customers who come to shop. Supermarkets use smart methods and special equipment to keep food fresh and safe. Large refrigerators and freezers store milk, meat, and fruits at cool temperatures so they don't spoil. Fresh vegetables often get a light mist of water to stay crisp and hydrated. Workers regularly check expiration dates and remove any old food from the shelves. Dry foods like rice, cereal, and pasta are kept in sealed, clean packages to protect them from dust or insects. The store is cleaned daily and temperatures are carefully controlled. These steps help make sure food stays healthy, tasty, and ready for families to enjoy. Food in a supermarket comes from many different places before it reaches the shelves. Fresh fruits and vegetables grow on farms and are picked when ripe. Milk, cheese, and meat also come from animals raised on farms. Bread, cookies, and cereal are made in factories that mix, bake, and safely package them. Some foods even travel across the world, like bananas from tropical countries or chocolate made from cocoa beans grown far away. Trucks, ships, and airplanes then deliver these foods to supermarkets quickly, keeping them fresh and ready for families to enjoy every day. When food in supermarkets doesn't get sold, it's not simply thrown away. If the food is still safe to eat, it's often donated to food banks or charities to help families in need. Some stores send older fruits and vegetables to farms as animal feed, while others turn them into compost that helps new plants grow. Food that's too old or unsafe is carefully discarded to protect people's health. By recycling, donating, and reusing what they can, supermarkets reduce waste and make a positive difference for both people and the environment, keeping their communities healthy and sustainable. Supermarkets use barcodes and computers to keep track of every item they sell. Each product has a small barcode, those black and white lines printed on packages. When a cashier scans it, the computer instantly identifies the item's name, price, and how many are still in stock. This system helps supermarkets know when to restock shelves and prevents running out of popular products. It also makes checkout faster and more accurate. Thanks to barcodes and technology, supermarkets can stay organized, save time, and make shopping easier for both workers and customers every single day. Remember, shopping isn't just about buying. It's about choosing what keeps you healthy and happy. So smile, relax, and have a great time during your visit to the supermarket today.